The suggested title is very meaningful and factual. There is no doubt that our country is rich in natural landscapes. However, its good looks and good name have been tarnished by the corruption that is happening around us without fear. We find corrupt people in almost every sector who do not perform their duties unless they are bribed by the common man. Corruption can be seen in every sphere of life. This is the reason why corruption has been accepted as a right in all development projects from top to bottom. A large part of the budget allocated for a work goes into the pockets of officers, politicians and contractors, and only a small part of the budget is left for the actual work. Most programs at the local, provincial and national levels are for show and purposeless, and are an excuse to waste capital and resources. They are also highly disorganized. It is for this reason that a work never reaches its end with the firmness and transparency it suggests. Such illegal activities are increasing day by day because we, the citizens of this country, are encouraging such people and turning a blind eye to them. No strict action is being taken against them. Therefore, corrupt persons rightly believe that they cannot come under the law. And even if they come, they are easily released. He believes in the principle that, if you bribe you will be free. The situation has deteriorated to such an extent that a common man has to take the wrong path when he needs help. Corrupt elements exist from top management officers to lower staff and even clerks and class 4s. It is difficult and impossible for a common man to avoid and work with them. If we are responsible citizens of the country, then we have to understand that nature forgives the sins of individuals but does not forgive the sins of the nation. We have to understand that corruption is licking our nation. And this is not only leading to increasing crime in the society, but also a major obstacle to the development of the country. We have to break our silence to wipe out and eliminate corruption. We have to raise our voice against this unjust and illegal act. Remember, when we ignore them, problems grow. I believe that tomorrow holds the promise of a better future if each one of us joins hands to end corruption today, strongly opposes corruption, avoids it and exposes the corrupt. May Allah protect me and you. Amen.